Hello, everybody. So this one's going to be an awesome one. So I've got my Star Period Star shirt, which is my progressive rock band that I'm very fortunate to play with some very, very talented people playing some very crazy progressive music. So this one, I got a very awesome progressive rock drum fill and groove, which is one of my favorite fills. The first time I heard it, I had to rewind it a million times, and it took me years, literally about 10 years, to figure out what the heck he is doing. And he, in this case, is Thomas Pridgen, which is one of my favorite drummers. If you don't know who Thomas Pridgen is, check him out. His drumming on the Bedlam and Goliath album by Volta is absolutely insane. If you can get past the vocals and the noise and just listen to the drums, the album is one of the most brilliant drum albums. But anyway, here goes. So this is from that album. This is a song called Agadez. I'm probably mispronouncing it. And this part takes place around the 2-minute mark. I was looking at 200. So the groove is quarter note based, about this fast. And what happens is the basic groove is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So it's got that kind of syncopated, almost like a fatback. If you don't know what the fatback is, go back to my YouTube channel, check out the fatback beat, and you'll be wiser. So the groove is something like that, where he's dancing around, where the main pulse is on the and of 2 and then 4. The bass drum is filling it, so sometimes it's 1 and, sometimes it's 1 and 2 and. So you play around with that. It doesn't have to be the same each time. It shouldn't be the same each time. Now at the 207 mark, there's a drum fill that happens, and then again at the 215 mark is my favorite drum fill. That's the cool one. And then he does a very similar one right after that. I haven't figured that one out yet, to be honest with you. So the first fill is like this. So you're playing from the beat. The first half of the fill is actually still continuation of the beat. So the second half, or it's a 2-measure pattern. So the second part is 1 and, so that's easy, 1 and. Second beat is 2E and, so it's 2E and then 3. So just that part is like that. So 1 and 2 and. The next part is anda, but it's bass drum, snare drum, anda. So it's 3 anda, and then a big accent on 4, and then hi-hat bark, E, and then the That's a lot. So I'll play it slowly a couple times and I'll speed it up. So I played it wrong. There we go. Sorry, it's hard to play it this slow. So it's 1 and 2, like that, and you're back in the groove. So that one's pretty cool. So, and then you're into that. Now the second fill that I really like at 215 goes like this. So cool. I'll play it again. Ready? So I'll play the hi-hat part on my leg so you can hear the bass drum, snare drum part, because I noticed the hi-hat's right near the microphone. So here it goes. Like that. Now, and then you're back into the groove. And then there's a third one. I haven't figured that out. We'll figure that out together. And then you're back into it. Now, a quick note on that. The sticking that I'm doing is right with the bass drum. Ghost note on the so it's 1E and and then it's right again on 2E, and then and is a big note. So right, left, left. And the accents and the way I'm articulating is important. Followed by 16th notes. And you're going to put the bass drum on anda. So it's, and then 4 by itself, and then and with the bass drum on the and then you repeat that. So that does that twice. So when you repeat it, it's actually and 1 E again. So the whole thing slowly is like that. A little bit faster. So, I hope you have fun with this one. This one's a challenging one. I love it. Go back and listen to it. It's a crazy song. It's a crazy album. But just listen to the drums. And if you have any problems, you let me know. All right. Bye-bye.